For number 35, we're given these two equations here, these parametric equations, and we're asked to eliminate the parameter t. And the parameter t is stuck inside a trig expression. So the way that we're going to get rid of the trig expressions is by using the following identity here that relates the square of the tangent with the square of the secant. So before we can do anything, let's check what we have. So we have secant squared minus 1. And we have tangent, and we need tangent squared. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to square both sides. So x squared is equal to tan squared of t. And now let's look at what y is. So y is secant squared of t minus 1. So let's manipulate this identity here, and let's get secant squared minus 1. So on the left-hand side, I'm going to be left with tangent squared theta is equal to secant squared theta minus 1. So now, if we consider that theta is equal to t, what we have here on the left-hand side, so tan squared, that perfectly matches up with our x squared, because x squared is equal to tan squared of t, right? And what we have on the right-hand side, secant squared minus 1, perfectly matches with our y, because y is going to be secant squared of t minus 1. So what that means is, by using the identity that tan squared of t is equal to secant squared of t minus 1, we get that x squared, which is tan squared, is going to be equal to y, which is the same thing as secant squared of t minus 1. So this over here is our equation. So, and this is a parabola opening up, parabola which opens upwards. And that is it for problem 35.